There she goes.
I'll bring. That's big. Good job. Ay! Oh my gosh! Oh.
Look at these are little.
Yeah. So what is the squid?
Yeah, it is a squid.
Wow. I hope you get.
I like in here.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, they both caught.
Already? Yep.
Like a good day of crappie fishing, you know?
Yeah. There you go.
Probably wala na akong bait.
Bait, yeah. Are you guys from here? Do you live?
No, we are from Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Are you on vacation?
Yeah.
Oh,
The grandkids are out of school. So.
that's good.
But
Yeah.
we've been going here since 1990. No.
No, sarap yan paksiw.
Makma, okay.
I don't know what.
Paksiw.
Saka prito.
Perito. So ganyan, lutuin nyo na lang yan ng ganyan. Wala nang file-file.
Hindi na.
Filipino style.
Pilipinas na.
Ano? Mas masarap may bones.
Tsaka yung ulo ka mo, masarap.
Oh, piniritong pinakaging.
Masarap si
Pinulo mi.
Yep.
Ay, di ano mi.
You see, the head is good.
We have to roast
She
it.
got some in there too.
Yeah.
You look like she's a Filipino also. They guys went with
where
you?
you from?
They're a
Yeah,
group?
yeah, that's my...
Where are you from?
From
Illinois.
Illinois.
Yeah.
I told them I work at McHenry at Woodstock. 1990, I think.
Big. What is the name of this fish again?
Croaker.
Croaker. You will
Not a
be.
hooker.
You will be cooker.
You will be cook.
You will be cooker. Oh, that's nice.